Okay, we got the old sled in the shed here. We're going to start disassembling it today. I think what we're going to do is we're going to start with the old hood, get that off, then work on the dash, kind of get the engine exposed as much as we can, and then start going from there. Eventually working our way back. Thankfully, this just needs to be cleaned. A little repair right here, and then we have to evict our mousy friends there. It's a little brittle. She's minty. So, let's get the hood off, the fuel tank out, that light disconnected. Go from there. Alright. Oh, jeez. Alrighty, we are moving right along. Hood's out of the way. Fuel tank is resting right there. Let's get this firewall out and keep going. The nice thing is everything's coming right out. Voila. Oh. Voila. Sorry, I got the screws in my mouth. Voila. She's loose. Put everything into the little baggie. Unlike the 1970 Skee Horse I restored, everything is going into a baggie. That's going to be marked, as you can see down there. So these are going to be firewall and gas tank strap. I gotta find another one of these guys. I guess I lost the old one. Oops. Also, I must have pulled the fuel pump off, so good thing I have extra stuff. Let's keep going. Alrighty, we finally have success with the dash. It wasn't exactly a peaceful removal though. I couldn't get the bolts out and that was already cracked. Also have the recoil cover off. And we come to our next issue, which is our uninvited guest house. Yuck. But even more bigger than that issue. This sucks, but we have an even bigger issue right now. That kind of grounds our plans to a halt. Oh, we also broke our starter belt. The fact the engine has decided to stop up. I don't know why. It literally pulled over 2 months ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a crap ton of fogging oil inside the cylinders some other stuff and see if we can't break her loose. Like I said, it did not take that long. It was working. Oh, that's crazy. That belt. That really broke. Huh. Oh well. So we gotta get... I think this starter has to come off, doesn't it? I don't know. For sure we gotta undo the wire there. Oh, there's the ignition. I was looking for that. Huh. Some miscellaneous wire unplugging. That pulls through. Coils, belt, and the engine should come off. The hard part's going to be right here. The exhaust clamps, as always. Hopefully I can get one of them to budge. So, that's where we're at. Why can't anything be easy? I know it didn't go through the carburetor because there were... the air screen was on, so... Let's keep going. Okay, well, I got the plugs out. They don't look bad. Damp a little bit, but I mean, not like rusted engine. A little bit of crud. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray some of mercury fogging oil. After all, OMC and mercury are compatible, right? Alright. Let's spray a crap ton of this down into the cylinder. Make sure it's working, actually. Oh, yeah. Okay, there's one. You guys are kind of my eyes. Speaking of which... Alright. Oops. I know you're not supposed to do that, but... Well, we'll give her a few minutes and see if anything happens. This might be where we gotta stop for right now, but I want to get this whole engine out. My next step will be the handlebar, this tie rod, so that, this whole thing should come off. I gotta undo the throttle, of course. Then I'll undo the two motor mounts here. Yeah, the two motor mounts down there. There's two on the other side, coils, belt. This engine should lift off of here. Oh, and exhaust, of course, which we'll try right now. That's gonna be the hard part. It's always just the hard part for me. So we'll get to work and come back when there's an update. Okay, we've got the steering column removed. Got the exhaust brackets loose. I did pry back the wings there a little bit and sprayed some PB Blaster in there. Hopefully she'll loosen up for us. As well as I have the two motor mounts on this side off. Sorry. Can't see much in there. And yeah, that's about it. So we're getting ready to move back to the other side now. Let me actually real quick, I'm going to disconnect that positive post. Just so that is done. We We no longer have to worry about it. Actually, probably 9/16. No, it's a half. Excellent. So anyways, the theory is that, like I said, I'm hoping we can just loosen everything up and then eventually just lift this engine right off of there. That's my hope anyways. Okay, let's get to the other side. Okay, we're on the other side. So, funny story though. I got this wrench from a garage sale up here. I didn't think much of it. In fact, it's not even a name brand wrench. I don't even know what it is. I figured, I've been using it as like a pry bar. Figured, that sure fits on there, like mighty snugly. And I put a little bit of pressure on it, and now, that's as far as we get. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep kind of working it back and forth here a little bit. There's a rusty spot right there. Which I think we just got past. Ouch. So, put some more fogging oil in it. It might have even been some crud behind here. I don't know. I don't think so. I'm hearing a little bit of a... So that's a good sign. Let's put the plugs in, see if we can hear any breathing. Or did we totally just destroy this engine? That's the other question. Anything's possible. It wasn't, I didn't put a lot of pressure on it, so it wasn't very stuck. Which is good. Oh yeah. Hear that thunk? There's definitely life in there, boys. So, I think we might have her. We'll do a compression test later, but at least she's loose now. Phew. Sigh of relief. So. You can hear it. So, good thing. Alrighty, let's keep going. Alright, when you've exhausted, exhausted all other possibilities, you use some fire. I don't have the greatest setup. This one came loose. It's loose. It is loose, so we're just waiting on that guy. I had it soaking all night with PV Blaster. We're just gonna let her sit on there for a little bit. See what happens. Alright, I've tried just about everything I know I can do. So I just unbolted the muffler. Whew. and she started to come out, so we're gonna go the rest of the way here. Just gotta figure out where to set you guys up. Whew. Well, it's out, kind of. Now it's out. Whoa. Wow. That thing's not light. There it is, it's out. We'll play with that muffler later. Meantime, wiring harness, seat back, rear bumper, and then chain case, track, and sprocket, and bogies. We're getting there. Whew, break time.